Hey everyone, and welcome. We're about to jump into the very first and maybe most important step for anyone who wants to become a web developer, setting up your environment. I'm going to walk you through the super simple, totally free tools you need to start building websites today. Ready? Let's do this. You ever find yourself staring at a website and just wondering, how in the world does this actually work? It's a fantastic question. And honestly, just being curious enough to ask it is the real first step on this whole incredible journey. That's the spark right there. You know, a lot of people think that getting started in web development means you're going to be wrestling with complicated servers, maybe buying some super expensive software. But the reality? Oh, it's so much simpler. All you really need are a few free tools that you can download and install on the exact same computer you're on right now. So, do you have what it takes? Let's run through the list. Can you sign into your computer? Check. Can you use a keyboard and a mouse? Yep. Can you install an app? For sure. And are you connected to the internet? Well, you're watching this, so double check. According to the experts at MDN Web Docs, that is literally all you need to begin. So yeah, you're already qualified. Okay, so let's assemble your very first developer toolbox. Just like any other craft, you need a few key tools to do the job right. But trust me, they're probably a lot simpler than you think. So what's actually in this toolbox? Just 3 things to get you off the ground: a modern web browser, a code editor, and the command line. That's it. Seriously, this is the foundation for absolutely everything you're going to build from here on out. All right, so we've got these 3 tools. What do they actually do? And why do you need them? Let's break them down one by one. First up, tool number 1, the web browser. I know you're already using one, but for a developer, it has 2 really important jobs. First, it's the stage. It's where you're going to see all your amazing creations come to life. And second, it's your library, your absolute best friend for searching for answers when you get stuck. Next, we've got the code editor, and the best way to think about this is it's like Microsoft Word, but for code. Instead of writing essays, you're writing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's a special program built just to make that whole process way easier. So why not just use a plain text file? Well, because a good code editor is like your coding sidekick. It helps keep everything organized, it color codes your work to make it easier to read, and it'll often catch you if you make a simple typo, saving you from a huge headache later. And finally, we have tool number 3, the command line. Now, this one can look a little intimidating at first, but the concept couldn't be simpler. It's just a way to talk to your computer directly by typing commands instead of clicking on icons. It's incredibly fast, super powerful, and a must-have skill for any developer. Okay, but why bother with it? Well, it's all about speed and power. You can do things way faster, you can chain commands together to do really complex stuff in a single line, and it's how you'll install and manage all the other cool professional tools you'll use down the road. All right, we've got our tools. Now it's time to set up our digital workshop. Because having the right tools is one thing, but keeping them organized, well, that's the key to actually getting things done without pulling your hair out. And hey, don't just take my word for it. The folks at MDN Web Docs, who are kind of like the official keepers of web knowledge, they put it perfectly. Their advice is simple and direct. Set up a sensible file structure. This isn't just about being neat. It's about being a professional. And I mean, just look at the difference here. It's night and day, right? On one side, you have total chaos. All your files just thrown into your downloads folder, a digital junk drawer. On the other side, you've got this beautiful, clean setup. A main folder for your project with neat little subfolders for your styles, your scripts, and your images. That's how you do it. And that's it. That's the crucial moment. Your tools are ready to go, your workshop is clean and organized, the whole setup phase is officially done. You are now ready to stop preparing and start creating. So, where are you on the map now? So, where are you on the map now? Well, what we just did, that whole environment setup, that's the foundation. That's the launch pad. From here, the path opens right up to learning the core skills like HTML and CSS, and then, before you know it, on to the advanced stuff. You've officially taken the first step on your journey. And really, that's all there is to it. Don't underestimate what you just did. With a browser, a code editor, the command line, and an organized folder, you have the exact same starting setup that professional developers all over the world use every single day to build amazing things. So, the only question left is the fun one. Your toolbox is packed, it's ready to go. What are you going to build first?